by collecting various pieces of scrap wood and brainstorming ideas. I wanted to create something that captured the feeling of summer, bright, colorful, and fun. I selected a few pieces of wood that I thought would work well together and started sanding them down to smooth out the rough edges. I used a combination of power tools and hand sanding to get the desired texture. My goal was to create a cohesive look, so I chose a color palette that would evoke a sense of warmth and sunshine. I used a mix of acrylic paints and stains to bring the design to life. As I worked on the painting, I added some intricate details and patterns to give it some visual interest. I was really excited to see how it would all come together. And here it is, my scrapwood summer painting masterpiece. I'm absolutely thrilled with how it turned out, and I love the way the colors seem to pop against the natural texture of the wood. The unique features of this piece, like the wooden grain and the layered paint, add a lot of character and depth. It's definitely a one-of-a-kind piece that I'm proud to display. I think it's amazing how something that was